sound adds to picture is so exhilarating.
It's really half the movie.
Movie's sight and sound. You only express it with sight and sound.
The point is to convey an emotion.
Film sound is an illusionary art.
Sound, in many ways, is more tied to imagination.
Film sound work wasn't always like that, with dozens of sound editors editing thousands of tracks. But when it all started, movies were silent.
Then in 1927, they actually recorded dialogue on the set.
Wait a minute, you ain't heard nothing yet.
And of course, it was a gigantic sensation.
Sound was taking root in a new American renaissance of movies, in a way that had never been heard before.
We were exploring the unknown. It's been very valuable in the evolution of humans' relationship to the cosmos.
Your job is to come up with the unimaginable.
You want the audience to feel the pain.
Sound is still the best way to experience emotion.
It's part of being human.
Feel those goosebumps, then you've done it right.
It's the single most labor-intensive editing process I've ever experienced.
The work you all do makes these moments eternal.